My name's Jen Welling, and I am a trainer at Stellar MLS. Within the last year and a half, IMAPP did a new configuration of their platform, which has literally just skyrocketed the use and just functionality of the product. So we love to promote the products that we think our agents can benefit from the most, and IMAPP's definitely one of them. They give you the ability to filter out things like city interactions, tax delinquencies, vacant lots, rental properties. So I like the ability to do a full map search without having to use criteria and having that visual filter that lays right down onto the map. Get in there and just play with the system. You can't break it. You can always start over. IMAPP did a really wonderful job of adding help videos for all of the different aspects that IMAPP has. So even if they don't know what they're doing, they can hit that help bubble and get the help they need. So there's nothing to be afraid of. All the help is right there built into the program.